Hey everyone, I'm back with a product review for you guys today. This time around featuring Silly George's LinerBond PRO. Silly George is known for their lash bond system, and then a few months ago they just released this LinerBond PRO formula and they sent me the clear formula. So as far as some information with what makes the PRO's LinerBond system special is it's supposed to be a stronger, more hassle-free formula. Their LinerBond is a PSA, which means pressure sensitive adhesive. So that means no wait time for you to stick your eyelashes to the glue. On a traditional lash glue, you have to wait for a few seconds, at least 30 seconds for it to get tacky before you apply it on your lashes. But with this product, you actually don't have any wait time with it at all. So you just basically apply the product, stick your lashes in, and you are good to go. The liner has a 12-hour stick time. This liner is also water resistant and shower proof and cry proof. So you can go cry yourself in the shower and you're safe that your lashes will not come off. I'll post a quick demo of the product getting wet so you can see that the liner glue actually sticks in place, and then it's activity resistant, it's toxic free, and it is PETA approved, which is really nice. So as far as what they sent me to try, they actually sent me their lash application kit, which includes the scissors and the tweezers, which the tweezers are so important in applying your lashes. If you're not using tweezers to apply falsies, I don't know what you're doing with your life. And then they sent me 4 different lashes to try. So the first lash right here is called Girl About Town, which is really pretty, so very lightweight looking. They sent me Girl Crush, which is more glamorous. Girl Goals, which is really long, so I'm not sure how that's gonna look on my lashes. And then the last lashes that they sent me is called Girl Overboard. I've actually played around with this liner already and it actually works really well. It's super simple to use, so I'm just gonna zoom you guys right in so you can see how quick this lash application is with this liner glue. So for this demo, I'm gonna be using the Girl About Town lashes from Silly George, which is just really pretty and I don't need to trim it. These are the Silly George tweezers, which are actually really nice. It's matte black and it's pretty long, so it's perfect for applying lashes. Before applying actual glue on the lashes, I usually just put it in first with just the initial glue to make sure that it's the right length for my eyes. And once I know that I don't need to trim it, I take it back out and then we're going to apply the liner glue. So since I already have eyeliner on my eyes, this is really simple to do because I'm just going to basically trace the liner glue into my lash line. So this is what the liner glue looks like. It just has a felt tip. And then when you apply it, it's basically pretty much just invisible and you don't need to wait for it to dry. You can just stick your lashes in there after you basically line your lash line. So that's what we're gonna do. So just a very thin line on the lash line. And then you're just going to take your lashes and stick it in there. I really like these tweezers, by the way, so you can just take the tweezers and basically just put them together with your natural lashes. So these lashes are Girl About Town, which is basically just really natural looking if you look at that. And then I put a really thin line of that glue and you can pretty much tell that my lashes are pretty much stuck on there. It's not going anywhere. So now I'm just going to apply it on my left side. So same thing, I'm just basically going to run it along my lash line, and it helps if you already have liner, but you don't even need to because this product dries clear. Again, you don't need to wait for this product to dry, you just basically stick it in and you are good to go. This is probably the easiest lash application ever. It's no glue, means no pain, no mess, and then no damage to your natural lashes, which is such a bonus because that's probably one of the main things that I don't like when it comes to ring lashes, when it pulls your natural lash out, which is just so damaging to your natural lashes, especially if you're trying to grow them out. So as far as pricing with the product, you can actually buy it in a bundle, or you can buy the LinerPro Bond by itself, which is $34.99. I'll have a link in the description box below with a discount code if you wanted to use that, so you could try out the system. But the lashes in itself, if you buy them individually, it will be $19.99. You can actually visit the Silly George website and you can actually see some of the items bundled together to save money, which is actually a great deal. I have tried a different liner glue from another brand before, and this liner glue is far superior to that one. This one is no mess whatsoever, no pain. It doesn't pull out my natural lashes, which is such a major plus, and it doesn't have a strange smell. We're pretty familiar with a certain brand of lash glue that has like a really funny smell. This one doesn't smell like anything, which is, if you're really sensitive to smells, I really enjoy this product. So as far as wear time with this product, I find that this product stays put all day. I just need to make sure to put extra glue just on my inner corners, because that's the area of my lashes that tend to lift throughout the day from blinking, from being too dramatic with my facial expressions, I guess, because I tend to blink quite a bit. So, and after after correct application with the lash glue, I don't find that my lashes lift at all, and it's very, very comfortable throughout the day. I find that I have no irritation with this liner whatsoever, and I highly recommend it. If you wanted to check this product out, I'll have all the information in the info bar, and I'll have a link with a discount code so you can save some money if you want to test out this product yourself, especially if you're like me and find that applying lashes is kind of a chore. This makes lash application a breeze because you just basically line, stick your lashes, and then go. So anyways, I hope you guys found this review helpful, and I'll hopefully see you guys on my next video. Bye!